So today we're going to look at theme on page... So today we're going to look at word relationships on page 37 in the Grab and Go. We've already looked at explaining the meaning of idioms, and so today we're going to look at using context to determine the meaning of adages and proverbs and explaining the meaning of adages and proverbs. So an adage is a proverb or short statement expressing a general truth. A proverb is a short pithy saying in general use stating a general truth or piece of advice. So I have some examples here of adages. If we want to get good seats for the concert, we should leave now. You know the saying, the early bird catches the worm. So what does it mean when the early bird catches the worm? Well, it means being first gives you a better chance to get what you want. And if we look back over here to use the context, if we want to get good seats for the concert, so that's the thing that they want, we should leave now, meaning that if we leave now, less people will be there, better chance of getting those seats. So then they use the saying, the early bird catches the worm. Next thing, there is no such thing as a free lunch. I see that it says that we don't have to pay for the food, but what do they want? Are they going to try to sell us a vacation home or a speedboat, aren't they? So there's no such thing as a free lunch. So even though you are not paying for the food, somebody needs to pay for it, even if they say that it is free. So we say everything has a cost, even if you don't see it. So those are adages, and they're both giving advice. The early bird catches the worm, and there's no such thing as a free lunch. Those are advice statements. So here's some proverbs. You can not just say, Mom, you do too much. You need to help fix it. Wash the dishes, mop the floors. Actions speak louder than words. And what does that mean? What we do means more than what we say. So if you say to somebody, oh, you're so nice, or oh, I love you so much, but then you don't back it up, actions speak louder than words. Last one. You waited until they were already done serving the food to get your plate. Now there's only chicken left. Beggars can't be choosers. And what that means is there are not always choices if you aren't on the ball. On the ball being another saying. If you aren't doing what you need to be doing in a timely fashion, then you don't always get a choice. So beggars can't be choosers, even if you're not literally begging.